The Piaggio P180 Avanti distinctive form and superb engineering makes it a popular choice for discerning tourists looking to lease a private jet. The Piaggio combines Italian elegance and workmanship to create an airplane with exceptional performance and one of the most luxurious interiors. The distinctive rear-mounted turboprop engines distinguish the Piaggio P180 Avanti. However, this is only one of several elements that distinguish the Piaggio aircraft. Piaggio's designers set out to produce an aircraft that was not like any other turboprop. An end result is a plane that combines the greatest features of both turboprops and jets, putting the Piaggio Avanti in a class of its own. Here, you will find everything you need to know about this incredible aircraft. You will be able to explore and experience the Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo like never before. We will feature videos on the aircraft's incredible features, including its advanced avionics, powerful engines, and luxurious cabin. So, join us as we take you on an adventure of a lifetime with the Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo. History: 1979 saw the beginning of engineering work on the Piaggio airplane, and in 1980 and 1981, various designs were put through wind tunnel testing in both Italy and the United States. The first prototype took to the air in September of 1986, and the Piaggio P180 was given certification to fly in Italy in March of 1990. The delivery of the 150 Piaggio aircraft took place in 2008, and by October 2010, Avanti fleets had accumulated more than 500,000 hours of flight time. Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo cabin and interior. The cottage can be reached without much difficulty. A gust lock maintains the door flush to the side of the fuselage, with the upper two-thirds of the door on the port side directly below the flight deck opens toward the nose of the aircraft. At first glance, the bottom component, which has two inbuilt carpeted stairs, is seen being lowered into position after being released by a handle on the left side of the structure. The cabin interior is impressive, featuring a two-place bench seat opposite the door, a single sideways-facing seat on the same side as the door, and 4 club range seats leading to a full privacy toilet if required. The fully upholstered seat has a seat belt and can be occupied for takeoff and landing. The aircraft can accommodate a maximum of 8 passengers and 2 crew members with enough room to work and relax. Additionally, the aircraft features a galley and an enclosed lavatory with a baya. The cabin dimensions are excellent and more in line with those of mid-size jet. The spacious stand-up cabin has dimensions of 5 feet 9 inches or 1.75 meters in height, 6 feet 1 inch or 1.85 meters in width, and 15 feet or 4.55 meters in length. Once strapped into one of the roomy leather seats, space is abundant. In addition, the sumptuous cabin has been updated with 2 separate rows of leather chairs that can rotate up to 360 degrees. It is equipped with broadband and satellite connectivity, transforming it into a flying office. An enhanced air conditioning system and lighting also contribute greatly to passenger comfort. A stylish use of mirrors, 6 good-sized windows on either side, and the use of light colors ensure the cabin has a roomy feel. The baggage compartment on the exterior of the Avanti Evo is of a size and shape that are suitable, and although it's not pressurized, Avantis are certified to fly as high as FL 410 and maintain a low cabin altitude of 6,600 feet or 2,000 meters at that level during the flight. At that level, the cabin is conversationally quiet because the propellers are way behind the cabin on the ground. However, the Avanti Evo's noise footprint is on a large scale, which is typical of pusher designs. Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo cockpit and avionics. Rockwell Collins Pro Line 21 avionics package with tablet-based electronic flight bags are installed in the cockpit of the Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo. In addition to that, it has 2 separate control panels, 3 large adaptive flight displays, a comfortable cursor control panel, an integrated avionics processor system, 4 data concentrator units, an advanced weather radar, a TCAS-1, and a terrain awareness and warning system. This aircraft satisfies the requirements of both the EASA CS-23 and the FAR Part 23 and may be flown by either 1 or 2 pilots. Innovative and aerodynamically optimal design. The airframe of the Avanti Evo has been upgraded by the incorporation of a 3-lifting surface design, which can be identified by its short front wings, inverted central wings, and flat surface elevation on the tail. Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo specs. The design of the Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo is built on the platform of the Avanti P180 and incorporates upgraded features that increase efficiency, improve safety and comfort, and reduce the expenses of operation. This new variation provides increased coverage, quicker ascending, a smaller noise footprint, cabins that are larger than ever before, and world-class security measures. Additionally, this is characterized by lower levels of emission as well as savings in fuel. The armed forces, government agencies, and private operators are all able to make use of this aircraft. It is also able to help in flight inspections for the calibration of air navigation instruments and radio measurements, in addition to performing the duties of an air ambulance or photogrammetric patrol unit. The fuselage of the Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo has been improved thanks to the implementation of a three-surface lift design. This design is distinguished by a short front wing, an inverted middle wing, and a flat tail surface height. The configuration maintains the aircraft's controllability and steadiness even at high speeds. Elegant aerodynamic curves from the nose to the tip maximize performance by 34% by increasing the amount of laminar flow and reducing the number of impediments. The redesigned front wing and drag-reducing winglets contribute to an overall boost in efficiency as well as a 3% decrease in CO2 emissions. Additionally, thanks to the updated shape of the wing surface, the aircraft may ascend 3% quicker. Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo engine. The Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo is propelled by two Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A engines, each of which turns a hard-cell propeller design propeller with 5 rotor blades and a diameter of 180 millimeters. The brand new, lightweight, and wide propeller is built of aluminum alloy, and it features totally hairy blades, reversible rotation, and hydraulic control of the speed at which it rotates. The RPM of the propeller was lowered from 2,000 to 1,800. These improvements, coupled with modifications to the aerodynamics, revised nacelle, and engine's exhaust shape contribute to a 68% or 5 decibel reduction in the amount of noise coming from the outside. The noise level inside the cabin has been lowered by 20% or 1 decibel, significantly improving the comfort of the passengers. If you never want to miss out any of our videos and want to continue to benefit from the wonderful stuff we provide, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The Avanti Evo includes a brand of modern landing gear that requires very little maintenance. It consists of a nose wheel with 2 steerable wheels, as well as 2 main landing gear sections that each have 1 wheel. Anti-skid brakes made of carbon are installed on each of the main wheels. The aircraft is able to fly out of suburban airports as well as smaller airfields that have runways that are less than 1,000 meters and do not serve regularly scheduled flights. In June of 2014, the European Aviation Safety Agency granted clearance for additional fuel tanks to the Piaggio P180 Avanti Evo aircraft. The installation of auxiliary tanks raises the maximum range of the aircraft by 17%, taking it from 1,470 miles on standard fuel to 1,720 miles in total. The fuel capacity of the aircraft increases from 2,826 pounds to 3,226 pounds or 3,185 kilometers. In addition to this, it enables the aircraft to fly non-stop from coast to coast inside the United States as well as between continents. Charter rates. The Piaggio is a well-liked private jet charter option among high-level professionals in the corporate world. Its hourly fees range from $1,039 to $3,754, and discounts for empty leg flights are sometimes made available. But how about you click on this video right here to watch inside the new Embraer Phenom 100 EV, which will leave you even more amazed. Don't believe me? Go check it out. Until next time, goodbye.